for one thing, and that was Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. But while we reached here, it already happened. So for that particular reason, I would like to congratulate everyone since Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned. But but the main problem still lies, and the main problem is Narendra Modi himself. So as long as he's the prime minister and as long he remains in the cabinet, the nation isn't going to improve anytime soon. So I would like everyone watching this to know that we still have a war to win. Thank you.
Laundry, and I am a student and a proud citizen of Meghalaya. Today, I would firstly thank all of you present here, teachers, students, parents, and citizens. So we're here today to lit a candle for the people that we have lost, the dreams that have been shattered just because of a leaked paper. So we studied, those students that studied for months, years, and left home, took loans, skipped meals, and told ourselves, "Mehnat ka phal zarur milega." But what did we get? A leaked paper, a sold question paper, a slap in the face of every honest student in this country. Let me be clear. A paper leak is just not cheating. It's a crime. It's theft. Theft of time, theft of opportunity, theft of dream. Think about it. The boy in a village who studied under kerosene lamp. The girl whose parents sold jewelry just for her coaching fees. The student who gave out festivals, birthday, sleeps, just to appear in this exam. On someone with money and connections already has the answers, while the people who have no money, they are being left out. Is this the merit we talk about? Is this the equal opportunity we were promised? So today, the government, to the government, you can leak a paper, but you cannot leak our unity. To the students, don't stay silent. If we accept this today, tomorrow they will sell our job, our admissions, our future too. We don't want sympathy, we want justice. We don't want excuses, we want exams. We want merit, not money, talent, not cheating. Raise your voice with me. No leak, no cheat, fair exams. Fair exams. This is what we want from the government. We need accountability on behalf of the students that we have lost. Jai Hind, thank you.
उठाएंगे सच को सब बताएंगे चुप रहने वाले नहीं हक अपना दिलाएंगे कुर्सी पे बैठ के वादे सब हवा हो जाते सड़कों पे उतर के लोग इंसाफ ही मांगते न नफरत का झंडा है न कोई सियासत बस एक ही सवाल है कब मिलेगा हिफाजत आवाज को दबाओगे फिर भी गूंज आएगी जनता जब उठ खड़ी हो दीवार हिल जाएगी सब हवा हो जाते सड़कों पे उतर के लोग इंसाफ ही मांगते इतने बात पुकारे हम कब तक इंतजार करें जुल्म पे मरहम चाहिए झूठे इनकार नहीं न दर्द से झुकेंगे हम न सच से मुकरेंगे आवाज अगर दबाओगे और जोर से चिल्लाएंगे न पत्थर न नफरत बस इंसाफ की बात हर बेटी की हिफाजत हो बस इतनी सी है बात कभी गुने के बराबर फिर से मचाएंगे सच हम सुनाएंगे जुल्म के सामने कभी सर न झुकाएंगे इंसाफ की बात है ये अवाम की आवाज है हंस के लिए लड़ते रहेंगे जब तक पूरा इंसाफ है
More to come. Okay, next is Nirmala Sitharaman and also the transport minister. Okay, just that. Thank you.
How's the joke? So one point, okay. As we have seen, the ruling party, BJP, has been ruling since 12 years. And one question from me is that towards these unbucks, we know them as unbucks. What you have done within these 12 years? Name me one good thing you have done for this country. one good thing for these students, what you have done. But then, sorry about that. See this thing, what I have written here. Idolizing a politician is like believing a stripper really likes you. That's one point, okay, see. The unplugs, they idolize, they put them on top of like they are some sort of god. That's the point. Even if they do some work or they don't do anything, they would worship them like they were some gods. The power belongs to us. We are the youngsters. We are educated. B. R. Ambedkar said this many years ago. Educate, agitate, and organize. The more educated you are, the more powerful you are. As a former president, late president, he once said this: the youth are the power. The youth are the power of this country. We have to make a change for our country. We believe that this country will one day come, that this country will grow, and we will grow as together, united. No Hindu, Muslim, Christian. We are all together in one democracy. Thank you.
Not get there, who got paper leak and all just because of education minister and this Modi. So yeah, and they said that एक चाय वाला सिर्फ चाय ही बना सकता है, देश नहीं चला सकता. And there are so many educated person there who can rule the country for us. But एक चाय वाला, because our vote, he has become prime minister. एक चाय वाला से prime minister, which is it's not beneficial for us now, for our future, because kids are going in protest and all small nursery kids to speak for themselves for future. So I hope they take this as a big action and resign. I want Modi to resign. We all want Modi to resign. So yeah, please, chai wala chai banaiye.
I say, my fellow cockroaches. Yes, cockroaches, because that's what we are to this government. Best to be sprayed and swept away the moment we get too loud. Because of course, if we speak up and ask questions, what would they answer? So this all started because of the NEET paper leak. It's not the first or the second time. The only thing this country leaks on time are some national exam paper. Not river water in a drought, just exam papers. And who took responsibility? Khamoshi, complete silence. Our education minister had turned no comments into his full-time job. We asked him to resign. He did it not long before we grouped here. Meanwhile, you know what breaking news actually looked on our news channels? Let me read them out for you. सास बहू सीरियल में बड़ी ट्विस्ट, मर चुकी जुड़वा बहन की हुई ड्रामेटिक एंट्री, पति पत्नी और वो, घर में आया नया राज, देखिए आज रात 9 बजे, ससुराल में मचा हाकम, बहू निकली असली में कोई और. That's it. That's what mattered more than 60 injured civilians on one single Monday. A twin sister came back from the deck for the 4th time this year. While the news of actually students getting lathi charged got squeezed in between a toothpaste ad and an astrology news. And when we sat down peacefully to ask questions, what did we get in return? Detained, loaded into buses, no questions asked, no explanation given. Apparently, this is what a democratic country looks like. Sitting and asking why is now more dangerous than leaking a national exam. And they say calmly, कानून अपना काम करेगा. जब कानून का काम सिर्फ हमें ही उठाना है, when the only job of कानून was to protect us, who will save us from them? But here's the thing about cockroaches. You can spray us, switch off the lights, sweep us out the door. हम दूसरे दरवाजे से वापस आ जाएंगे. We survive everything. So keep detaining us, keep changing the channel. We'll be here asking our Luke with much more strong voices. Who leaked the papers? And why are students asking questions more dangerous than the people who failed them? We are not going anywhere. Because once APJ Abdul Kalam said, ignited mind of the youth is the most powerful resource on the earth, above the earth and under the earth. And together we all say, cockroach zinda hai, jab tak sawal zinda hai. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hindustan! हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तान. जब बैलून हम फुलाते हैं ना, तो अगर ज्यादा फूल जाए और मुंह में फट जाए ना, तो हमें नाराज नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने उसे उसकी औकात से ज्यादा फुला दिया है। हम बिना फैमिली वाले, बिना बीवी बच्चे वाले, हमें घर वाला नहीं मिलता है, उन्हें हमने अपना इतना खूबसूरत ब्यूटीफुल कंट्री दे दिया। आप भुगतो। थैंक यू।
This is our victory, our students' victory. But the country is still dying. People in Manipur have been dying for years. As you all remember, Assam is flooding. Modi, what he has been doing? Our Prime Minister, he has been going to his trips, lovely trips, isn't he? Right? If you can't look at your own people, you better leave that seat, Modi. You seriously need to leave that seat. Assam has been flooding, Manipur has been dying, there are a lot more cases. This is our victory, but this is just the start. We still have a lot more to discuss about. Today we might have won, but tomorrow is another battle. So we have to stand here together until we clean this country totally and all. Thank you.
I want to sing a song and I want you all to sing with me, okay? So, सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो। ना 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 sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I wanna grow up once again. Thank you.